Alright, boys. I'm home today. It's Monday, April 20th. This is what I'm seeing. So essentially, we're in this new week opening gap. Gap down, obviously. Higher time frame, we're bullish on all indexes. I mean, it's hard to say. Strong trend. I'd want to see this entire gap get filled. Maybe target these highs. We'll see. We have a good amount of low resistance liquidity to the downside, so if we come up immediately, take these highs and then start reversing, I'll be looking for shorts down to all these lows. We do have a bullish SMT, I believe. Hang on. No, we don't. No bullish SMT. I don't know why I'm tweaking. Let me throw on these lows. Yeah, they're all like stacked up lows. Oh yeah, bullish SMT off these lows. Swept these during Asia and then reversed. But that kind of happened a while ago. Let me check news today. No news tomorrow. This like worries me a little bit, but could get in a trade before that maybe. So we have like no news basically. Let's see what TJR is saying.
Okay, so it's 12 and a half to 13 and a half hours. So we have approximately. Oh, they arrive in 2 hours? Fuck.
Yeah, boys, I'm low key gonna go get some water real quick. Be right back. Oh, okay, so we filled this entire gap on NQ, and we didn't on ES. We still have all these stacked up draws to the downside. I mean, it looks kind of good for shorts, but we gotta beware because we still didn't really take a significant draw. We're just at this like resistance. We could just be coming down to fill like that 30-minute gap. So I need to see like really strong displacement to the downside, especially on ES because this should be our more bearish index.
Apparently the airplane turned around. It's too dangerous. Bruh, no shot. Can someone fact check that, please? Did Air Force One turn around? Somebody get on the flight tracker. Somebody do a flight tracker on it. Somebody flight track Air Force One, please. The airplane just got shot down. Okay, now that's a lie. That's an actual lie, bro. I'm on the plane, it turned around. Okay, good comms. They have like 10 F-22s around it. What the fuck is an F-22?
I'm gonna hop off this because I can't be fucking in my gay shit. Okay, so it looks like this could be a potential bullish SMTF, like this 5-minute low. It's like data wick low. Wait. This wasn't data wick. Wait, we had news at 9. Oh, there's no news. Interesting. It's a weird candle. I mean, I'm still gonna maintain my bullish bias. Nah, it doesn't appear that we're gonna break 5-minute structure. I mean, honestly, the trend is so bullish that. Hang on, let me low key get my funded on here. Okay, so I'm really gonna be looking for an inversion of this 1 minute. So we gotta close inverse. And I can look for a 1 minute retrace and a bullish gain out of N on enter on NQ because we're close to all these highs. But we might just take it. I mean, this is a pump in 26 points on one candle. Dirty's on your hose. Inverse the gap. Actually, ideally, which we might invalidate that real quick, but what I want will be perfect is we sweep this low on ES, like a bullish SMT with NQ, fill this gap on NQ, then break structure out of it. Just gonna throw on beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Put the tab back. Yo. Why is it always doing some gay shit like this, bro? Okay, we didn't tap into the gap. Okay, you're gonna push down. You're in this 1 minute gap now. Let's see if we reject.
Then I technically have to. Okay, so we're waiting. We're in this gap. I want NASDAQ to inverse this gap to the downside. I don't want it to respect this gap.
Inverse, then a break to the upside. That's what he wants.
I would prefer if we don't respect this. It looks like we're going to respect it. Let's see what this next candle does.
It's too early, bro. I can't enter this shit this early. Even if we got a closure above, that'd be the shittiest RR ever. But I feel like I'd have to do that. That's yeah. I'll enter if we get a closure. Well, you're making a potential actual bearish SMT.
I really want to sit inverse this gap. I don't want to take a trade right now.
Yeah, I agree. Agree on my end.
If it closes bullish though, I have to spend it.
That's what I was saying. Okay, we close bearish.
Still bearish. Okay.
I'm just gonna hop off that stream, bro. But I had the same exact thought process, chat. It's so early, so early. Making a 1 minute bearish SMT. Maybe potentially we can flip this into a 1 minute bullish SMT. And then that would be A+. We did actually price in low resistance here. We didn't end up coming down. I'll just mark out this 30-minute gap. Let's see if price wants to react to the upside, because this is low-key better. We'll get a better entry. But again, we did fill this entire gap, so gotta be wary. Okay, this is looking better. We left a huge gap. Smack these lows, please. Make a bullish SMT and then immediately inverse. Okay, we smack the lows. Alright, if we inverse here, it's A+. 177 on IQ. 700 over 177. It's like 4. 20, bro. What's the RR on this? 0.28. Do like 17. Cause I like want to risk like 1500. Okay. As long as we don't take this, is just making my RR shittier, bro. Not a fan of that. Okay, we're in this 30-minute gap. Let's hopefully see a reversal now. We didn't. No, we did break structure, but our time frame bias is still in 30-minute. Might be. No, it's not that early. This is just looking a bit spooky because we did just come off of the fill of the gap. Invalidated that bullish SMT. Kind of want more than just inverse now. Validated that bullish SMT because we did just break 5-minute structure. So hopefully we can see like some sort of nice bullish pump and then a little 1 minute FEG fill and then a break out of that. That would be ideal. Gee. Alright. This is not looking good. Oh yeah. Alright. Bro, I can't just wait for one break, bro. This is a huge rejection after filling the entire gap. But we are in this 30-minute gap, which gives me a little bit of higher confidence. But yeah, I'm really gonna just stay patient on this because we are in this 1-minute gap as well. Hopefully I'll make a bullish SMT. Candle opens and closes aren't aligning well. Let's see what I think here. Like, guys, I was confused whether it looks the same. Hopefully we close bear, so now we can get a break. Like, I don't know if I would take it if we break. Okay, let me analyze this. We have 40 seconds. Rejecting into the 30-minute gap, higher time frame smallish, lower time frame we completed this fill and broke structure immediately. I can't take that if we break. Still in the 1-minute gap. Really want to bullish SMT. That'll make things so much better. So much more confidence in it. Let's see. Okay, please make an SMT off of this though. Here, let me throw down. Let me throw down something. There we go. Yo. Oh. I gotta turn this shit down. Where's my fucking magnet, bro? There we go. Yo, it's a little big right now. Okay. Come right here and take that low. Yo, no. I don't want ES to break, bro. Like, what is this? I'm not gonna count that as a break. I have to wait for this gap to get inverse now. I mean, it's looking pretty bullish on us. Price is accumulating in the 30-minute gap. Believe, bro, I'm telling you, we need to sweep this low and then we can continue higher. We need to sweep that low. Just mark it out, because it will sweep it if I mark it out, right? We're making a bullish SMT off of this 1-minute low. Not enough for me, though. Brother, why is Price doing this? Just take the low. Take the low like a good boy. Alright. Come on. Buddy is like so close to this. 15 points away. Oh my. Oh my. What did I do? Alright, bro. Really? Are you serious, bro? Taking and rejecting to the upside. Okay, that should be enough to come down and take the lows. We're gonna take all those 1 minute highs. We might as well come down and take all these 1 minute lows. Banger, thank you. Okay, now we can see a rotation high. Okay, we want to go higher now. Okay, although, let's look at this from a different standpoint. Now, if we don't see a rotation higher right now, we are filling this 5 minute gap. After sweeping all those 1 minute highs. And we're getting a move lower. So what I'd want to see, if we're bullish, I want to see a closure above these highs and like an inverse of this gap. However, I want to see the same if we're bearish, and then we can get a rotation down. Or we can like fill this 1 minute gap, and then we can get a closure below this low. That would be ideal. Fill the 1 minute gap. And then close below that low, middle and or short. Like, that's like very dependent on just filling this gap and not inversing it. See how ES looks, just never inverse that 1 minute. I would like to see price be half on a bullish candle there. If we inverse it though, that would also be completely fine, because unless a change order flow to the upside, and then we can see a change order flow back to the downside. Alright, beautiful. I'm just gonna take off. This bias is very indecisive right now, and we filled that whole 30-minute gap. Higher time frame still bullish. I mean, bro, I kind of would want to see a break back above the bullish on the 5 minute. Nah, but this is good though. Although we're also making. I'm gonna stay really patient on this because I don't really know where price wants to go. Making a huge bullish SMT. I'm gonna just fucking turn on the stream. Just get a confirmation of my thought process. He's trying to enter in short, so that's good. Okay, so now that we inverse this gap, I want to leave this gap here. I want to leave that gap there and inverse it. So as long as we leave a gap there and inverse it, that's gonna be an easy short. I don't like this bullish SMT though. So the thought process behind shorts is we build this entire gap, broke 5 minute structure on IQ. Not ES though. Yo, why did I say there was a 5 minute gap here, boys? Because there's not. We're in that equilibrium now, and we just swept out all these highs. Okay, let's pay attention to this gap for shorts. Again, we could just completely flip our bias and want to go long. Respect. Bro, this is such a fucking gay. We could go either direction. Really. We could go either direction. It's looking a bit more bearish as of now. Sun is long as fuck. Okay, let's see how the 5-minute closes. This will determine bias for sure now. Because we did reject out of the 30-minute. This will determine soul bias. I hate when this shit happens. Okay. But the things that they have missed. Alright, this is looking good for longs now. As long as we break 5-minute structure. This, come on, just break for me, baby. We're more bullish on ES, which is a bit worrying. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we priced in a low here, bro. This is beautiful. You gotta see like the fill of this 1 minute. It's just too much for me. Can't take it anymore. What are we, bro? Like low key. If I just enter long on that close, that would be such a horrid RR. Actually, no, it wouldn't. I can't. I've never taken a trade off a 5-minute break, but like, bias is solidified now. This 1 minute low should be protected because it created a bullish SMT. But that's risky. Yo, my order card's gone, bro. Yo, stop pumping. Stop pumping, please. Stop pumping. Well, let me guess. CTOs and longs. He hammered the break. Let me guess. Knew it, bro. He literally did enter on the 5-minute break, bro. I literally called that shit, bro. And he's never done that before. I literally called that shit, bro. Alright, let's hope to price in a retrace here, even though we might not get one. I called that shit. I literally called exactly what he was gonna do, bro. Hey, come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Alright, bro. I'm potentially gonna enter off of this. I do want to just see a closure above those highs. A bit. 27. Yo, no, 108. So that's like. Alright, that's even better for retrace, bro. Oh, this is looking good. Oh, no. Okay, it's actually not looking as good because it's a way shittier guess all I'd wait for is a bullish 1 minute candle to close. 122. It's a 5. Yeah, we're just gonna do it really quick. 6. And then I want that to be 5 times more. Wait, I'm in on BS so bullish. This is not gonna be a bullet bearish SMC. There's no way. Just gonna wait for an inverse of this gap to make sure price doesn't want to respect it and move lower. I gotta piss so bad, bro. Alright. Can I speed rush a piss? This is the worst time ever. Alright, now anything's gonna happen with this candle. 8, 7, 6. Okay. Ideally, we close below. This is just such a huge rejection, bro. Like, look at this. We came into this DQ. See? Didn't mark it out correct, but you guys get the point. I can't trail stops this wide. Okay, close below this low, and then we can see rotation higher. Yo, if I took it off the 5-minute break, this low is definitely protected. Okay, beautiful. Now we gotta start rotating higher. This is gonna be a stops the body type of situation. Like if we just get a huge bullish candle on this. A 5-minute gap here could potentially be inverse. I don't like how deep we're retracing. Just don't inverse this. Somehow reject higher. Yes! Oh my days. That's crazy pull. Alright, we respected that 5-minute. We don't really have any 1-minute gaps to go off. Be a big boy push. Yeah, I low-key might have to run around ES. No, we're so much higher. I'll turn off the music to lock in my 5-minute gap ES. We're closer to the highs now. Let's say, yeah, we're definitely closer to those highs. Really, 16. Yeah. 280, that's 14. Not, am I gonna take this? Steps this. I'm just gonna wait. Because we're looking pretty. Like, this is a pretty huge pullback. And this is like not even a 1-minute high, bro. This is just straight doji. Yeah, it's bullish, but I'm not gonna. It's 2 dojis actually. Price just looks really indecisive right now. Just gonna flip that back to. If we price in a real high here and then close above it, I'll take that. Okay. Okay, now we can close above it and I'll take it on US. Bullish SMT here. Good, getting validated real fast. 5 minutes. Yo. I mean, man. This does not look very bullish anymore, bro. What the fuck is price doing? Look at how deep we can retrace, bro. It's not giving one move. It's going up, down. Going down, up, down, up, down. Or morning. Good. A little bit.
Did you go work out already?
No.
Oh, okay. You get some rest?
Yeah. Love you. Of course, right. Sick. 77. Go ahead and enter this on NQ. Just give it a little bit more bullish push. Yo. Yo. I'm gonna wait for this 1 minute now, bro. That was not a strong close at all. Yeah, we broke structure, but that was not a strong close. So the trade idea there was based on a sweep of internal lows, and then an immediate recovery. How do I keep doing this bullshit? Bro, now it's like setting up for shorts, bro. If we inverse that, no way my bias is gonna flip in the flick of a fucking second, bro. Now I just want to hammer the shit out of shorts. Fuck. Now I just want to hammer the fuck out of shorts, bro. Their immediate inverse of that gap. Price is so indecisive right now, it's ridiculous. belongs. Okay, give me a closure above this. Hammer the shit out of this. Easy peasy. Okay, we have that 1 minute gap. Let's just wait for the 1 minute to close. So we have that 1 minute bullish SMT now. 40 seconds. So it's at 190 now. It's probably still like 4. Yeah. I need to see. I cannot leave a doji wake. Oh my gosh. Just give me a strong bullish close, man. I'm just gonna wait. The reason I'm waiting for a strong bullish close is because price doesn't know where it wants to go right now. If we close high, then I want. If we close up high, I want to wait. Or if we close up high, that shows direction that price wants to move high. Still have that 1 minute bullish SMT. We do have this gap, and then we can break on a ES, which could be better sign. We actually never ended up inversing this 5 minute, but we might just right now. Go to that camel. Candle closed. And we never ended up inversing it. Alright, if price doesn't move higher like really soon, I don't want to trade. Alright, bro. Alright. Let me guess, the next candle wants to form bullish close right here, and the next candle wants to form big. And we have relative equal 1 minute lows. These are gonna get taken. Maybe. She played a fiddle in an Irish band, but she fell in love with an English. Yo, let's turn back on the music. This PA is boring. See what TJR's feeling, bro. Okay, we took those 1 minute lows. Yo, he's gonna get stopped, bro.
Yeah, it's toast.
Bro, I literally called the 5 minute break and didn't take. That's crazy, bro. Okay. I mean, it looks like we're gonna, well, we're definitely gonna inverse that gap. I don't know why price is pulling this chopper. Shit. I deadass called the trade TJR took, bro. And I was like pissed at myself. I was like, bro, I could have taken this shit and it's about to get stopped. I didn't trade yet. What? I said yet. I mean, probably not in a trade, but yeah. What'd you take, bro?
Me?
Yeah.
Well, I went short on the first one, which is retarded. But this price rejected off that gap so strongly. I was like, okay, there's no way we're not bearish. And then we broke 5 minutes short here. I went in. First TP would have been this 15-minute low, then full TP at this 30-minute low.
What time?
12:30,
What, at like 9:41?
9:50.
50. Bro, you can't take that.
Why?
Bro, we were literally pricing in a bullish SMT right there. And one, there's like a, that's like barely a rejection.
Look at the candle before, dingus.
You mean, oh, the sweep of those highs?
Yeah. Price wave went all the way up there, and then rejected strongly off of it, and then leaving the 5-minute break to enter.
I guess. It's just though, we are making a 1 minute bullish SMT right there. And and if you notice, we're rejecting out of a 30-minute gap. Alright. Yeah, there's a huge 30-minute imbalance.
That's that thing too. If you said there was a bullish SMT, that's you would take that on yes.
What? He took shorts.
Oh shit. Yeah, and then I lost going long.
What did you take long?
That's like the 1 minute gap to the upside.
That was straight emotion work, bro.
What was it? What's fun?
Right after,
No, it was it's not. Oh, what's it count? It was at 9:56.
9:56. But that you can't use that as a 1 minute gap because we already priced in 1 minute gaps before that.
What? We broke the inverse of 1 minute gap.
You're talking about this gap right here.
Yes.
You can't use this anymore. We reject you literally used it as a rejection, so that means this gap's no longer valid because we rejected it, and then we priced in another 1 minute gap here. You took this trade off of. So if you're gonna take the 1 minute gap, you would have taken this.
Interesting.
We can jump. We can get mix up.
He's a fucking retard.
Yeah. Alright.
And I don't think Liz would take that. Fucking coffee at the store.
Alright. Make you feeling better. I'm gonna chill. It looks like it's 100 degrees out, bro. Oh, low key. Alright, I might take a trade right here. Dog. Listen to you, fear. Alright, boys, I'll let you know if I take this shit. No, I can't lock in with you, boys.
Yeah, it's literally just clicking a button, bro. And you're back to this thing.
Gotta talk to my chat, bro. I'm gonna lock in and analyze this shit. Nah, like I would not take this shit. It looks good though. See? Yeah. Wait, so how much are you down?
800 on the new one, and then 500 on
And a weak jump. Yeah, there's no shot I would take this, bro. Why is market so chop work, bro? Straight Barker. Bro, I literally called exactly what he took, and I'm like, let me just see if TJR took this shit, and he did, bro. Because it looked so valid. I just have never traded off a 5-minute break before. But, like, I should have entered. Like, it looked he was fucking perfect. Because he had a 5-minute bullish SMT. And then that should be a protected low. Yo, price is fucking pumping right now for him. His TP or his stop loss got edged. Oh, you can jump. I gotta piss so bad. Alright, I'm probably hopping off these charts right now, bro. Are you coming to the gym?
He's sick, bro.
Alright. I'll see you later then, Brody. Alright, let me know. I'm gonna go in like 30 minutes, probably 20 minutes. Alright, so I got pissed, boys. I'll be back. There's no way, bro. This market's so fucking choppy. A weak jump out. You can get no gaps. It's 10:25. We never ended up taking those lows. 5 minutes bearish. JR.
You know, like that.
Broke 1 minute structure. We did. put this on for you boys. No, nobody's probably watching this shit. It's hilarious that he's crashing out.
Go.
Oh, fuck.
1-1 and you keep your stop loss actually true.
Fuck out, bruh. Oh my god. Just end it, bruh. Why didn't you get out? Bro, because I'm not like you guys. I'm not the type of person to cut my trade at break even when I place a trade, I let that bitch rock. To either stop loss or take profit, bro. Okay, now we should get stopped out. Now I'm under the assumption that we should definitely get stopped out now.
Bro, you should just close it out. You have relative equal lows here.
Bro, holy price action of doom and despair. Are we serious about this price action? This is unbelievable. You know what's kind of annoying though is that once this shit does break 5-minute structure to the downside, this shit will probably just dump and take out all of these lows. It's literally going to use. Thank you, Cam Evans, love bro from Wisconsin. Thank you, bro. Like once they're literally gonna use my stop loss as liquidity. Like my shit's gonna get smacked the fuck out. My shit's gonna get smacked the fuck out, and that shit's going to just Price is literally gonna use my stop loss as a speed boost. Watch, bro. Watch. You'll literally watch it happen in real time. Price is gonna hit my stop loss, and it's gonna be used as a speed boost, and it's gonna go even lower.
1 to 10.4. Are we gonna get stopped? Yo, my entry would have been like right here. So 1 to 33.86. Let's see.
This shit's genuinely gonna use my shit as a speed boost.
Yeah, I feel right here. Well, let's widen stops a bit in case we fill the 1 minute gap. Nah, that's not a good RO.
Oh my god.
Let's just watch his stream, bro.
Bro. I passed my funded first try, straight gamble today. Bruh. Oh my god, can this thing just hurry the fuck up? Just stop me out. Just make me lose my money for the day. Watch this, speed boost. Watch this. Bow! Speed boost. Watch this. It's just gonna dump now.
No, that's probably gonna reverse, bro.
I swear. Okay. I got stopped out. But bro, if we turn around right now, nah.
Gotta go to the gym. If we immediately inverse that gap, bro, that's good for longs. But like, it's so choppy.
Should I just short that bitch, Boogie? Nah, bro. Price action looks so shitty. Yeah. Gotta call it here. Gotta call it. Holy fucking chainsaw massacre price action. To be fair, I think if you took a trade in any direction, you would have gotten stopped out today. Or maybe if you took shorts up here, then you're safe. The stops above these highs.
But bro, we took out low, then we took out high, then we took out low. Took out low. We're probably going to come up and take out these highs without any sort of significant draw on liquidity that was taken out, because we had these. This was new week or old week high, last week's close, and then this is the hourly low. So yeah, I mean, longs and shorts, at least in any direction that I would have taken, wouldn't have been able to hit a take profit yet today. Analyze why it was a mistake. To be honest, I would take these longs 9 times out of 10 times, bro. 9 times out of 10, I'm taking that shit, bro. 10 times out of 10, bro, I'm taking that shit. Cam Evans. I'm still waiting for a short, but it's past 10:30. My trading window. Should I just stop for the day? Bro, to keep it a buck with you, I mean, the biggest mistake was the fact that it was a no news Monday. Like, look. First of all, we're not trading within the first 10 minutes of market open. That's where the majority of the move was made. It was market open, and then boom, we had a big move down. And then from there, what draws on liquidity have we taken out since then? Or what draws on liquidity have we taken out at all? There's been no high time frame draws of liquidity taken out. We have market open highs right here. We have previous week's close up here. And then we have hourly lows right here, London lows right here, hourly lows right here, and then Asia session lows right here. So no draws on liquidity have been taken out for the day. So even if I took shorts, like if I shorted right here when I said I didn't want to, that would have been stopped out. And then I took longs, and then those just got stopped out. Had I taken shorts maybe on this inverse gap to the downside right here, those would have been stopped out by this candlestick to the upside. Had we taken trades on the S&P 500, I mean, the longs obviously would have been stopped out, but then also I'm assuming shorts would have been.
All right, boys, that's gonna call it for me. See you boys in the next one. Sorry ass market today.